In today's math lesson, we are on Unit 3, Measurement Fractions and Decimals. We are going to be taking quiz number 2, which is assignment 5 in this section on fractions, decimals, and money. So we are going to be taking quiz 2. I'll be reading aloud every question for you, giving you a couple pointers possibly, but do your best, take your time, work things out on scratch paper. I want to remind you that 30 days has September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31. February is the only one, with 20 days on most years and 29 during a leap year. So remember that information because you're going to be asked questions about particular months and how many days they have. So remember that. 30 days has September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31. February is the only one with 28 days on most years and 29 during a leap year. Question number 1. How many days are in March? 31. 30. Question 2. How many days are in September? 31, 30. Question number 3. If you were to go to camp on the 15th of the month, but you now need to wait a week, what's the new date that you will go? So this is when you were supposed to go, was the 15th, but now you need to wait 1 week. What date will you go now? The 8th, the 29th, or the 22nd? I just want to remind you that we read this fraction as 5 and 1/3. 5 and 1/3. Now remember, on the Odysseyware, their fraction is very different looking. It has like a slant to it. It's 1 and then like a slant and then a 3. This one is 2 and 4/5. The next one is 4 and 1/7. So just remember that these are the fractions that we typically would see with the numerator, straight line, denominator. Theirs are a little bit different. Question 4. What is the word for the following fraction? 74 eighths, 7 and 4/8, 7 and 4/8. Notice the difference between those two words, eighths and eighths. Question 5. Type the fraction for the shaded part of the figure below. So you're going to type in your denominator down there and then type in the numerator on the top. Question 6. What is the word for the following fraction? 28 tenths, 2 and 8 tenths, 2 and 8 tenths. Question number 7. What is the decimal form for the following fraction? That is 7/10. Does that equal 7 thousandths, or 7 tenths? Question 8. What is the decimal for the following decimal word? 3/10. Which one of those says 3/10? Question 9. Subtract the following numbers. 6,304 minus 5,357. Work it out on scrap paper and figure out the correct answer. They're all very close, so you know that you have to regroup. Don't be tricked. Question 10. A customer buys 3 items at the store. The first item was $2.15, the second item was 97 cents, and the last item was $4.75. How much did the customer spend? Question 11. Be the storekeeper. The customer has paid you for a purchase. You must give him change. On scratch paper, subtract the price from the amount paid to determine the amount of change. 78 cents, amount paid $1. After you figure out the difference, you are going to select the amount of change by clicking on the following money below until the correct amount is shown. So you're going to click through. So this one currently says 22 cents. This one says 25 cents. This one has a dime, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 21 cents. Question 12, fill in the blank. Be the storekeeper. The customer has paid you for a purchase. You must give him change. Subtract the price from the amount paid. Copy carefully on scratch paper to work out the problem. And then type each digit in each box.